Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your Spotify username. So this will work on any mobile device, whether it's iPhone, Android. It's going to be the same type of process on your computer as well. But first of all, once you open the app, you get to the home page right here. You're going to want to click on the top right hand corner, or the little cock is that little settings button there. Then it's going to bring up like your name, or potentially like a bunch of numbers if your name doesn't load for whatever reason. And then it's a view profile underneath. You want to click on that top part there. And then you're going to see your name and then edit profile underneath that. You're going to want to click on the edit profile button there. Then you're going to want to click on your name. Then you can just go ahead and change it. So right now it says subscriber please 987. I can just change it to like 123. You can change it whatever you want. And then you're going to want to click save in the top right hand corner. And then to see that it's changed, you can just go back and then forth onto it there. And you'll be able to see the name change right there. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see more how-to videos on the Spotify app and other ones similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.